All right, welcome back to the martial arts tutorial, Shorin Ryu, Okinawan Karate. This is part 16. And in this kata, I'm going to teach you the kata called ROHAI, okay? And similar to the other videos, I'm going to show the kata followed by the applications. All right, here we go. This is ROHAI, okay? So ROHAI, both legs stands this way here, shoulder width apart, left leg step out, elbow together and up. Now some style goes this way, but this way we're going this way straight up. So here, hands up, this way, out, and pull down, double hand block this way. Cross over, grab, pull, step up, punch, and back. Now this is the tricky part here, okay? In our style we go 1, 45 degrees, step here, back, and this way, double block. Then we step open like that, block, turn over, grab, and 1, 2, okay? Step back like that, and then out this way, pull, punch. Step back this way here, and then down this way, and block. Same thing, step this way, see how I open my legs this way? Grab, and 1, 2. Step in this way, double palm, okay? Step back this way, block like that. Same thing, open, grab, and 1, 2. Pull back like that, okay? So pull back this way here, and then we go this way. See hands and leg come out together that way, turn, and this leg up, shuffle, punch. Back, turn, punch, step back, grab like that. From here, the tricky part is not to go that way, but imagine you hold someone's hand and go straight down, and how I cross over, see how her body turn, and go shuto, and out, down, okay? So in ROHAI it's a little bit tricky. It's a lot of understanding how to move your legs, all right? So I'm gonna do slowly again so that you can see how I move my legs and you can follow along, okay? Here we go, once again, you're this way here, you're elbow up and down, 1, grab over, here, shuffle, punch. So you look 45 degrees, 1, 2, 3, and back. Break, 1, 2, and back. And here, block, great, 1, 2, and here we go. Double palm, block, and 1, 2. Square it together, 1, shuffle punch. 1, shuffle punch, pull, and down, turn, 1, 2. And up this way, and down. Your way. All right, so now I'm gonna do the normal fast version, okay? Just like how you perform a kata. Here we go, ROHAI, up, ay, 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 All right, so here goes the application part, okay? Application part for ROHAI. What is the meaning of this one here? Out and then down like that, okay? This is how we do it. Come on in, Kevin. All right. So the reason why we do this way here, so someone come and grab your arm, okay? When someone grabs your arm this way here, if you can lift up like this, it's gonna be difficult, right? But if you bring to your body this way, you see that, how I bring my elbow to my body like that, it automatically, it doesn't matter how strong he is, right? Because he has to use his, let go, he has to use his whole entire arm. Whereas for you, if you use your entire arm versus his entire arm, most likely the person who is strong is going to win, right? So the technique here is actually bring the elbow in, and then from you bring your elbow in, you use your body to lift him up. See that? And then it's already out. Okay? So it's very important that the kata goes like that, right? Instead of like that. So kata goes like this here, and your body sink. Because once your body sink, then you get more power. Okay? So the first move, the kata, is this way here, followed by that. So here we go again. This is very important, okay? This is probably the most important part of this kata. from here, he grabs you this way here. You want to sink, right? Once you sink in, you see how my hand turned this way here? When I'm turning this way here, his hand is being crossed over, so therefore it's going to be loose. And once it's loose, I'll turn my body this way here. From this left hand here, I turn over to grab, and this one, I just chop right in the neck and then down, okay? So for example, if someone grabs you both hands like this, when they grab you both hands like this, you don't have to run away. The kata teaches you how to do this. See that? And then once this way here, and bam, down. Okay? Okay, so the next move, the kata, after this one here, is this one. Grab and shuffle punch, okay? It's very important that, come on in, Kevin. That when you punch someone, especially if you are a smaller person, and if you punch, you stand still, you punch them like that, right? It doesn't hurt them as much because you're smaller than them. You don't have enough mass to send them to send them away from you. Yeah? All right. So what you need to do is you need to, from here, you need to step up, right? And I have videos that I talk about. You know how, come on in, how when you step up, you actually generate more power. Okay. So let's go for this angle here, so it's easier for you guys to see. So let's say if he punches me this hand here, see how the kata says here I'm blocked this way, right? And then here I don't just reach. So he's coming, I'm going block, and I go boom this way, right? So he goes this way, this way. Again, he goes boom that way. Okay? So the kata. So he comes, I go okay? All right, so after this move here, right, to the next part, the kata is this, and we go 1, 2, opponent comes here, we do this way, yeah? We do this way, and then we follow this, and pump, pump, okay? Once again, this way here, what's the purpose of this move? And then pump, pump, pump. So this move here, come on, Kevin. This move here, why do we need to bring our legs up? There's two, come on in. So there's two ways of your opponent attacking you, okay? First is he gives you a front snap kick. So a front snap kick like this, you don't want to block with your hand, right? The truth is, his legs is so much stronger than your hand, right? So you want to do what you see a lot of people do, it's called check kick. So he comes and you check kick, right? So he front snap and you're like, oh, I'm scared of him, right? So I'm gonna check his kick, right? If he does the roundhouse, same thing, no, round the other leg in, I'm gonna check kick, see that? I'm just gonna check kick, right? My hands is here, but it's not meant to block his legs, right? As he kick, I'm just doing that just in case if he hits me in here, I got some kind of blockage, right, when he's coming, okay? So for some of you who are asking, you know, what's the point of this here? It's basically the guy's coming so fast, I don't know what to block, and both or three hands are blocking, right? I mean, not three hands, two hands and one leg is blocking. He's coming in, I'm blocking here, I'm blocking here, I'm blocking here. Don't know what's coming, right? So that's the part of ROHAI. So let's say he's coming here, and I front snap kick, and I'm like, oh, I'm guessing, right? Come on in. I'm guessing, right? And then from here, after the kick, he followed by a punch in the face, and the kata, stay there, the kata goes like this here, right? And they go pump, pump. So right when I check, he punches, block, see that? And then I grab, I go pump, hammer fist, pump, and pump, this way, okay? So the kata, 1, block, pump, pump, right? So he comes, and we go, pump, pump, this way, okay? Okay? So right after this one here, same thing, we go this one, pump, right? So from here, what's the point of this? So in ROHAI, let's say if your opponent punches you, right? The other hand. So this is the block, right? This is the block here. As you see him come, let go. You see him come, punch slow, you see him come, and then you come out this way here, you block at the elbow, and then right when you touch the elbow is when you brush this way, so you go to the side. So the kata, like that, right? So he's coming, this way. So he's coming, this way, okay? He's coming, and this way. All right. Watch out. Okay. Right after this move here, then you have same thing. This side, same concept, and then followed by this move, okay? So this side, it's just the same thing as the other interpretation. Don't want to go redo that. So what's the point of this move here? Okay. So it depends on how you want it to interpret in ROHAI, okay? Some schools, they think they interpret as the finger. this way. So then the people can see, come on in. So they can thrust down this way, right? Either, if I open my palm, then I palm him right here, okay? I palm him right here, both palm right at the what do you call this part here, right above the hip, okay? Or the other part is the finger. The finger, obviously, you don't want to go through here because probably his abs is just too strong, right? The finger is meant to be at the groin area right here, this side. So from here, if he, right when he comes, I block him this way here, right? I go, bam, toward the groin area this way, here, bam. So this purpose is this, the purpose of this move is either to go straight down to the groin area or to palm right here, okay? So right when you're done with that, follow same thing, 1, 2, 3, okay? So that one I showed you earlier. Right after this one is this. You chamber this way here, you go 1, 2, chamber and the other side, 1, 2. So what is the point of doing this? What's the point of blocking this way, followed by that, okay? Come on in, Kevin. So let's say for this one here, if he punches you with this hand, let's say he stands there, go punch this way, right? He punches this one. If I'm gonna stand still and just do this, right? This is too good. So in our style, the blocking goes together with the hand, right? I mean the legs goes together with the hand this way. See that? Because this way here provides power. So once he's punching, I block this way here, right? I block this way here. Then I deflect over and go bump this way, right? So I go bump, zoom, this way. Again, zoom, zoom, this way. Okay? So that's the kata of this move and the other side. Okay? All right, so this last move here in the kata is quite interesting, right? Because right after when you do these here, right? The next one is this block, grab, bring the leg down, turn over, and 1, 2. Now, in reality, when you fight with your opponent, you really don't have time to turn around like that, right? It's just impractical, okay? So we're gonna throw all 3 moves in a combination, yeah? And you wanna go straight forward to your opponent, right? So to interpret the application, you should go block, kick down, and then go 1, 2, like that, instead of turning. Why? Because think about this, okay? So let's say from here, if come here, opponent punches you, right? I grab his hand. See how I grab his hand? Right when I grab his hand this way here, I want to go bam, right? Kick him here, go down, and then I go bam, right? Bam, right to the back of the neck. Okay? So again, I go 1, kick, boom, he goes down, right? Right when he goes down, bam, break his side skull, followed by bam, break the back of the neck. Okay, that's how you finish your opponent. So you break his hand and you break his jaw, followed by the back of his neck. Okay, so he's coming. So let's say, down. All right. So that is ROHAI. I hope you like what you saw. Please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know below what you think about the applications, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.